This is Turkish march, and it's the right hand. You put 4 on B. Lots of the times you do these twiddles, you have to put your thumb under. So we're going to go 4, 3, 2 on the black, then thumb under to A, then 3 on C. Let me play that again. This one you don't have to go under. You just do the pattern 4, 3, 2, 3, 5. Then you have to come up to 4 on F. This one you do go under because it's got the black note again. 4, 3, black 2, 1 under. Then stretch all the way up to high B. No going under for this one. Okay, I'm going to play that again. Then we go 3, 5. Move down 1. You're going G, A, B, but very quickly. 4 and 2, 3 and 1. 4 and 2. Twiddle. Twiddle again. This time we're going all the way down, 2 and 3 over to the bunny ears, and then 3 on E to finish. Okay, I'm going to play all of that without talking.